Nars, why would you break my heart this way? Why would you do this to me? This is my absolute favorite foundation. From the moment I tried it, it was everything for Hi guys, welcome back. It's been a while, but I just wanted to hop on here really quickly. There was something that needed my immediate attention, and I had to come back on here and share it with you guys. Nars, come to the front of the class. Come to the front of the class immediately. If you've been under a rock or you just haven't really been makeup shopping and doing the makeup thing like I haven't, you may not know, but they are discontinuing my favorite foundation, the Nars Soft Matte Complete Foundation. I have been a fan of this ever since I can remember. I literally have repurchased this foundation so many times. I love it so much. The color, the coverage, everything. I can do really full face, full beat glam, or I can do really subtle, soft, natural looks with it. I love a full coverage foundation. I am in the shade Marquise's Medium Deep 5, and it works perfectly for me. It's a warm undertone with a little bit of red, and it just works perfectly for my skin. So I'm one that I have my foundation and a spare. And wouldn't you know it, that I was using my spare when I was like, okay, I need to go grab another one. I go into Sephora to grab another one, and lo and behold, the display is gone. I'm panicking. Why is the display gone? What's going on? They're discontinuing it. And yes, I know they have a new formula coming out. More on that later, okay? Because I'm like, okay, they don't have this. Let's see, let's do the Sephora match and see what it gives me. It told me to try Perth because they didn't have Marquise's in store. I bought Perth, didn't really, swatch it. I was like kind of gonna run in Sephora and, I had to get somewhere. So I grabbed that, came home. It didn't work for me. Perth was a no-go. So I'm like, okay, let me go back, let me see. And I picked up Macau. I'm like, in store, I'm like, it looks like it could work. I can make it work, do some minor adjustments. Came home, tried it on. Immediately, no, let's take it back. It's given, green. Can't work with this. Didn't realize it had an olive undertone. Until I actually tried it on at home. So took it back. I have ordered the Marquise's online because that's the only way you can purchase it. You can't purchase in store. So I have in the new formula, I have ordered that. I am waiting for it to come. But in the meantime, Nars, why would you break my heart this way? Why would you do this to me? This is my absolute favorite foundation. From the moment I tried it, it was everything for me. As a oily girl, this did the trick. It gave me soft matte. It could give me like a skin-like look. It wasn't too drying, too matte. It did everything and more. So if you have more, because I tried. I went on Nars website, I even had my husband looking, okay? I went on Nars website to see if they had any more. Was going to stock up. I had them in my cart. Go to check out, and it says, I'm sorry, order cannot be completed. One or more items in your cart is not available. This was the only thing I had in my cart, so I kept reducing it. I had 3. Reduce. Not available. Why? Why, Nars? This is such a great formula. Please reconsider and bring it back. And the amount of product, I love that it was in this packaging because it was easy to travel with. I didn't have to worry about it bumping up against anything and shattering and breaking. I love the packaging. It just worked for so many things. And I'm so sad and so heartbroken to see it go. And yeah, Nars, if you see this, send your girl one. You don't even have to send me plenty. I just want another one. I just want to be able to just go out and know okay, this is the last time using it versus I'm going to go to the store and pick up another one and now there's no more. I can't use it anymore. So yeah, Nars, do that for me. I love this foundation so much. If you've watched any of my videos, literally almost in every video, you will see me using this foundation. This is truly, it just did it for me. You know what I mean? Like, I wanted my base to look flawless, exceptional. I'm reaching for this. It wasn't too matte. It wasn't too drying. Like, it was everything. So yeah, Nars, don't break my heart, or unbreak my heart, should I say. Tell me that you love me and send me one, okay? All right, guys, I will check you guys out later. Thanks for checking out this video and hearing me gripe about my heartbreak with this Nars situation, with them discontinuing my favorite foundation. And stay tuned, buckle up as we go on the hunt to find a new foundation, to see if we can find something that lives up to everything that this was for me. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.